Hi, I'm Simon.
And I'm Sarah.
This is Scooby and Scrappy, and we are Euro Adventures. Come take a look inside our home. Hi, this is our van, Wanda. She's a 2.4 diesel Ford Transit. It's an old care bus which we've converted. So as you come in, the normal driving part, we've got the solar power main bit and the inverter. You come in, we have our couch, Sarah's travelling position. Underneath the couch, we've got two leisure batteries, two 225 amp hour leisure batteries, which basically power everything. Loads and loads of sockets. Got sockets down here, USB and ordinary cigarette lighter sockets, which we basically use for powering our TV. Cooker, sink. Our toilet is stored under here. I'm sure you don't want to see that. And I suppose our main thing is our bed, which is it's a European double, which is almost a king size. It's something that's really important. We've just recently extended it from being a small double. With the two dogs, it's something that we definitely needed because they sleep with us. Our fridge and our wood burner, which is has been absolutely brilliant. This wood burner we got on eBay. Most people that we've seen have got sort of normal standard wood burners that come, that'll fit in a house. But what we've seen is that they've ended up, once they get going, they've had to have doors and windows open because it gets that hot. This is absolutely tiny. So we feed it here, and what we found is these reconstituted wood blocks are now about that long. We chop up into bits like that, and we just feed it in here, and we found that one block will normally do us for a full evening. We've got the fan which runs off the heat, and it's great because it circulates it. What we found is when we first put it in, sort of the up on the bed would be absolutely boiling, but sort of the rest of it didn't get that warm. We bought the fan, which I think was about €20, and it does an absolutely amazing job of making sure that the warm air gets circulated. We have got a diesel heater as well, but what we find is that in the evenings, this is our main source, and it's absolutely fantastic. We've got all our storage. Like I said, these two are for our food. This is general storage, and we've got a safe tucked in the bottom, digital safe, where we keep our laptop and travel documents, just to make sure that the safe we don't lose anything. Then we've got our wood store for the wood burner, so everything that we need for our fires is in there. And then the two smallest ones down here are our wardrobes. So my wardrobe consists of videos, and we've just got these handy boxes from IKEA, which are absolutely fantastic for keeping all our stuff in. So I've managed to fit all my stuff into 2 boxes. Obviously Sarah's not quite managed that. She's got a couple of boxes in here and one behind me as well. And all our dog food stuff. That's the one thing that we're constantly having to fill up, is the dog stuff. One of the things that we bought while we were in the UK was this caravan TV, and it was a pain in the arse having to keep set it up. So we just bought a standard mount, and there you go. It just spins out. And it uses virtually no power, so it's brilliant. It's got a built-in DVD player, so you've seen the DVDs, and it'll play stuff straight from a hard drive as well. So you plug the hard drive in and away you go for anything that you've downloaded or you've managed to get from somewhere else. So we managed to bag Game of Thrones from some very good friends and we watched all that. So this is an absolute essential we've found. Having a raised bed, it is brilliant. Obviously, folds up stores, but yeah, to get up, it's brilliant for that. But what you find is it's somewhere to sit while you're in your cupboards getting out your stuff. It just makes it's amazing that something so small, so inexpensive, just makes life so much easier. One of the big things for us is is obviously the windows. What we do tend to do is we pull up so that this side is to the view, and because we've got our settee here, and although we can swap ends with the bed, we do always tend to stay up this side. The downside with having so many windows is the heat. But what we found is that this insulation is absolutely brilliant. Just the right height comes up to here. So we've got them for the 4 windows, and then with the curtains, and it more or less completely blocks out the light. So we've got complete privacy when we need it. It also stops the sunlight heating up too much, because it reflects the heat as well. So it works both ways. But we had started to look for another van possibly, but that was one of the big things that we found, that most vans have virtually no windows, and it's something that we've just grown to love. So I can't see how we could get away from that. Having the views both sides is just amazing sometimes.